Hi, I'm Jackie.
And I'm Tommie.
And we are at the Wood Duck Preserve. We are Group 3.
And we did Biogeochemistry.
The Wood Duck Preserve is located in Opelika. It's also owned by the city of Opelika, so it is a public park that people can come to. It is mostly known for its birding and particularly its waterfowl. It is a part of the Piedmont Trail, which is some of the most iconic birding trails within the southeast. People love to come here to go birding or to just walk the trails.
So in front of the duck house is where we took our inland water samples, where we had our staff gauge, our iron rebar, and where we took our soil core. So with the results from our staff gauge, we did notice that from a rainfall back in the beginning of April, there was a significant increase in the water level. We came out almost every other day to check the staff gauge and get the measurements. So that does tell us that this wetland is affected by precipitation. And we are here shortly after a thunderstorm that happened last night, and the water is up, I would say about a foot from whenever it hasn't rained. For our results for the iron rebar test, there was rusting at the top of the bar where the water was, and then for our soil core, it was very gray, so we knew that there was lack of oxygen and it was iron reduced.
All right, so this is our water's edge. This is where we took our second thing of samples. Here we put 3 rods out to see the oxidation of the water. In our rods, we did not see much result in them. When we took them out of the ground, they were still basically just the color of dirt. There was no rust on them. We also here took our second soil sample, and here we saw 2 different layers, but neither layer was gray, so there was no reduced iron. Across from the trail here, this is our upland where we took our upland samples. Here we also did 3 rods and another soil.
For our results for the upland, our iron rebar assay, there was no rusting, so no color change in the bars. And then for our soil cores, there was some separation in the layers, but there was no graying, and the soil was much drier up here compared to the water's edge.